Our country stands at crossroads. Unemployment is rising, public trust is collapsing, and the state grows more arrogant by the day. The nation is crying out not just for change, but for bold, disciplined, and effective leadership. On June 25th, when the Gen Zs across the country took to the streets, they weren't just protesting failed leadership. They were making a statement about the kind of leadership that they want. And let's be clear, they never said they must be led by a fellow Gen Z. The name that kept surfacing both online and on the ground was that of Dr. Fred Matiang'i, because this generation wants a doer, not a dealer.
Let us be clear, supporting Dr. Matiang'i is not a departure from our region's proud political legacy. It is a continuation. The time of blind loyalty is over. The time for results has come.
Starting today, our lobby group will launch a village-to-village mobilization campaign across Luo Nyanza. We will engage, educate, and rally our people behind this bold for Vision 2027.